Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will create this amazing login and sign up page. So let's get started. Firstly open your VS Code and click on open folder and create a new folder and name it login and sign up page and select this folder. Now create HTML and CSS files index.html and style.css. In index.html, create boilerplate code like this and change title to login page and link CSS. Now go to Google and search for Font Awesome CDN. Click this first website and click on this copy link tag and now paste it in head tag. Click on this and press Alt plus Z to toggle it and Ctrl plus S to align it better. Inside the body, create a div with class container and ID container. Inside this container, create a div with class signup. Now inside signup, create a form. Inside form, create a h1 create account. Now create a div with class icons. Now in this, create anchor tags with a link and class. Now go to Google and search for Font Awesome. Now click on this website and search for icon you want to add in your website. For example, I am adding Facebook. Now copy this code and paste it here inside the anchor tag. Now make 3 more anchor tags. Just change the name Instagram, Google, GitHub. Our icons is added. Now create a span tag and write a text here or use your email for registration. Now create input, select a type text and placeholder name. Create 2 more inputs and change it to email and change placeholder to password and change type password. Now create a button sign up. Now copy this whole div and paste it here. Now change the class to sign in and change this text to sign in and change span text email password and remove this input. Now add a anchor tag here and write text forget password. Now change button text sign in. Now create a div with class toggle container. Inside this div create a class toggle. Inside this div create toggle panel and toggle left and create a h1 heading welcome user and create a paragraph and add a text here if you already have an account. And now add a button sign in. Now copy this div and paste it here and change left to right and change it to hello and change it to if you don't have an account and change button text to sign up and give class to button class hidden and give id login. Now give class to this button hidden and give id register. Now our HTML code is completed. Now go to style.css and give some basic styling star curly braces, give margin and padding 0, give box sizing border box. Now go to Google and search for Poppins and select get font and select embedded code and copy this code and paste it in HTML head tag. Now Alt Z and Ctrl plus S. Now in CSS, copy this code and paste it here. Now give styling to body, set background color and give background linear gradient to right and add your colors. Display flex, align item center, justify content center, flex direction column and height 100 ph. Now give styling to container, give background, give border radius 150 px and give box shadow 05 px 15 px and give RGBA and give position relative and give overflow hidden and give width 768 px and give max width 100%, minimum height 480 px. Now give styling to paragraph, font size 14px, line height 20px, letter spacing 0.3 px, margin 20px 0. Now give font size to span tag 12px, style anchor tags, dot container, a curly braces, set color, set font size, and set text decoration none. Give margin 15px 0 and 10px. Now give styling to button, set background color and color, set padding 10px and 45px, set border 1px solid transparent, give border radius 8px, give font weight 600, give some letter spacing 0.5px, set text transform uppercase, set margin from top 10px and set cursor pointer. Now give styling to button with class hidden, set background color transparent and give border color white. Give some styling to form, background color white and display flex and align item center. And justify content center, flex direction column, padding 0 and 40px, give height 100%. Now give styling to inputs, set background color and give border none, give margin 8px and 0 padding 10px and 15px, give font size, give border radius 8px and give width 100% and give outline none. Now give styling to sign up and sign in, give position absolute, give top 0 and height 100% and give a transition all 0.6 second ease in out. Now give styling to sign in, give left 0 with 50% and z index 2. Now we have to give styling to container but in active state, transform translate x 100%. Similarly give to sign up, so copy this and paste it here and change it to sign up and change these values z index 1 and opacity 0 and give active state to sign up and write transform translate x 100% and give opacity 1 and z index 5. Now create a animation and name it move from 0% and 49.99%, give opacity 0 and z index 1. Copy this and paste it here and change these values 50% and change it to 100% and change opacity to 1 and z index 5. Now mention the animation in container.active, write animation move 0.6 second. Now give styling to icons, write margin 20px 0. Write dot icons a curly braces, give border 1px solid and set color, give border radius 20%, display inline flex, justify content center and align items center, give margin 0 and 3px, width 40px and height 40px. Now give styling to toggle container, position absolute, top 0, left 50%, width 50%, height 100% and overflow hidden. Set border radius 150px, z index 1000 and give transition all 0.6 second ease in out. Now make container.active with the toggle container, give transform translate text -100% and give border radius 150px. Give styling to toggle, set background and set height 100% and give background linear gradient to right and add your colors. Set color and position relatives, set left and width, give transform translate x 0 and give transition all 0.6 ease in out. Now give styling to toggle panel, set position absolute, width 50%, height 100% and set display flex, justify content center and align item center, flex direction will be column, give padding 0 and 30px, text align center and top 0 and transform translate text 0 and give transition, copy this and paste it here. Now come to toggle left and give transform translate text -200% and give an active state for this, give transform translate text 0. Now come to dot toggle right, write 0 transform translate text 0. Now copy this active state and change it to right and give 200%. Now create a file script.js and link script.js to our HTML like this. Now go to script.js and write code. Firstly make a variable constant container and get element ID by container. Similarly make register button and login button and mention IDs register and login. Now set add event listener to register button, set click container.classList.add, make it active, Similarly, add a add event listener to login button and change add to remove. Now our code is working but left side is empty. So go to style.css and here write .container.active.toggle and set transform translate text 50%. Now our login page is complete and working properly. If you like this video, do subscribe and hit the like button.